Ki pulit ka jala ha ka arkundai trik kelalingkan, kilalit bantang no ya ki drok ki shongdor haduh kendai point katway klur tingka, ya ki balayo ban kurup na ki nyotrik district karilum kasi jantian. Hapo ka jaka thang jongka karkhana star cement halum shnong East Giant Hills District. Ha ka ni ka jingnai thang ya ki ni ki drok, lalam khamat da ka kinhuan ki he pulit ka jala. Hapo ka jingalam jong u Inspector General of Police CID Meghalaya u Aditya Guenka IPS, ha ka jingadon lang ki Superintendent of Police the East Giant Hills, East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills. Habakren Shakilat Thaikubor Hadin Blada Bantang Yakini Gidrak, u IGP CID u Aditya Guenka, u Pentip Bakini Gidrak ki bala penduk no ki kentum, Yashispa praplai gram u heroin, shongdor, Laipusaw lak praplai hajar, Gruspa nyum pratingka. Arspa kendai pun riu kilo u ganja, Bashongdor, riu klur kendai pun nyulang, riu prahajar tingka. Kendai kilo u yaba tablet Bashongdor, Shiklur sapu pralak Laipundai hajar sanspa tingka. Arjar nyuspa kendai pulai telik dawai jerho, Fensidil Bashongdor, Arp nyolak kendai pulai hajar, bar udawai kuli R7. Haduh sanspa Laipusaw telik Bashongdor, Arlak lai hajar hendruspa tingka. Pula ongru bakador jong barok kini gidrok bala thang no ha kini kejaka kila kot haduh kumbak kendai point katway klur tingka. Daka ba benram bana kalian ki pulit bat ka sorkar jela. Kieng skam ha ka nongrim ban pelong ya ka Meghalaya ka jela ka balait na udrong. Bat ba ki jingkin ra persya ya kam kai drong kidang yai beteng ha keleng ka jela. Bat ba kini ki drok bala thang ki ki bala yok kurup na ki sanpu pradli ki case NDPS.
Today is a very special day. It's a very momentous occasion because the various drug disposal committees of 7 districts are here today to destroy, dispose the seized narcotics in a scientific manner. And these are in accordance with the provisions of the law. I want to tell you the details of the drugs that were disposed today. So we had 183 grams of heroin, 296 kgs of ganja. We had the methamphetamine called Java tablets of about 9 kgs, 2,793 fancy drill codeine-based cough syrups, and R7 tablets, which were 534. The price of these drugs in the international market is approximately 9 crore 11 lakhs. The Dream Mission is a very special initiative, and under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, this has now become a mass movement. It is not only confined to government or the police, but it is reaching the youth, and it looks at the entire ecosystem. So it's not just about the supply side, but also demand side. So we are not just trying to stop drugs, but we are also trying to create awareness among the youth, and we are also creating avenues for users who want to quit. That there are a lot of de-addiction centers, rehabilitation centers which have been set up. I want to say that the leadership of the state is extremely proactive. They are determined and they give you a lot of leeway. In fact, they're extremely interested, and that is what is leading to some very good results. Are committed to make sure that Meghalaya is a drug-free state, and we have uh, sustained operations against drugs, and these seizures have been part of 58 cases in different districts, and these seizures are the result of strict enforcement and sustained actions against drug peddlers. We, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, and the Dream Mission is becoming a movement in the entire state. It is becoming a movement in the entire state, and we are not only looking at reducing supply side, which is from enforcement, but also rehabilitation awareness to ensure that Meghalaya becomes a drug-free state. To remind each one of us that every gram of drugs that we destroy today is not just a gram destroyed, but it is also protecting somebody who could have been vulnerable to its use. So with that, thank you and Jai Hind.